Welcome to another edition of
What We're Cooking.
I'm Al.
I'm Nick.
And Nick, why don't you tell the folks what we're having
Having
today?
steak, Brussels sprouts, and French fries.
All right. So come on in. Here we do our traditional Brussels sprouts preparation. What do I put on first?
Some olive oil.
Right. And then I'm going for
Some Dario the Butcher salt from Italy.
and then followed by,
Some pepper.
and we finish it off with
Some red pepper flakes.
another quick glug. Mix it all up. Where's it going?
And it's going into the oven for 350.
Now we're going to get the steak going.
Put a little glug of olive oil.
And then a sprinkling of,
Salt. Actually, sea salt.
yeah. And these steaks are from Consumers Packing in Chicago. A friend of mine, Craig Rogers, who supplies me with lamb, uses these folks and says it's some of the best ribeye he's ever had. Now we've got a nice hot pan. It's a nice hot smoking pan, and we're putting our two steaks inside. Now, once we get a good sear on both of these, we're going to take this, put it in the oven at 350 for about 10 to 15 minutes. Tops. And decided to do what's better than steak and potatoes. So we decided to go a little old school, thanks to Deborah Roberts' suggestions over there. So we're going to put these in the oven. These will go about 30 minutes. Everything's out of the oven, so why don't you tell us what we've got again, Nick?
Salad, French fries, suggested by Mom.
Hi.
Steak, Brussels sprouts, and salad.
You mentioned the salad twice.
Oh, yeah. Well,
I like the salad.
Yeah, I like the salad.
All right, well, that's what we're cooking. I'm Al.
I'm Nick, and I'm not going to get out. I'm not going to get out. I'm not going to get
Do
out.
not get out, ever.
I'm not going to get out, Dad. And that's the wrap.